Welcome back to yet another episode. So today I have some time. I am going to make the trek to another city in order to take the PENTAX FA Star 600 F4 in to hopefully be able to get it fixed. Because I really want to use this thing. I really do. Unfortunately, as you're probably very well aware of, if you're new to the channel, you may not be aware of, there are quality issues with my copy of the 600 F4. Unfortunately, it is a very old lens. They haven't made it in quite a number of years. The design goes back, I don't know, 20 years or so, somewhere around there. Yeah, it's just an unfortunate set of circumstances that I need to figure out if I can get this thing up to snuff, so to speak. The issue that I'm having is just very, very soft image quality. None of the images are sharp, not nearly as sharp as they should be. So yeah, gonna head over to Sun Camera in Concord, Ontario, and hopefully they'll be able to help a brother out, you know? One thing to keep in mind when you're taking equipment in for any warranty work or for any outside of warranty repairs is to take off the accessories. You don't want to end up in a battle where you swear that you've left an accessory attached and they've misplaced it or anything like that. You don't want to go through that argument. So always make sure that you remove any accessories that you have attached, whether it's something as simple as flash hot shoe cover, any external lugs that you may have put on. For example, these Peak Design little circle tab things. You just want to remove any of these features that you've added in addition to what actually came with the camera. Anything that's easily lost, basically. You want to remove any element of misplacement. And here we are, made it. So let's go in and see what's up with this lens. Okay, so just got back from Sun Camera. Yeah, there's bad news. Oh man. So I walked in, right away the guy asked me, what is it that you're bringing? I told him PENTAX FA Star 600 F4 lens, and his eyes just lit up like, what? And I went to hand it over to him, and he's like, oh, this is pretty big. And then it almost pulled him to the ground, which was kind of comical. And right away, he looked it over, recognized it's a film era lens. He asked me what issues I'm having. I mentioned to him just overall softness in the images. They're not sharp. His first response was the fact that it is a film era lens, so it's not designed, the coatings and whatnot are not designed for digital. I explained to him there's other people who have the same camera lens combo. Their images are fantastically sharp, so there is an issue with this lens. He took it to his head technician, who said that unfortunately he does not deal with film era lenses. So they can't help me. There's literally nothing they can do. He said that they did have a film era lens specialist who worked with them. He specialized in PENTAX as well, and unfortunately he passed away. So they no longer have a tech that can deal with very old lenses. He did give me a piece of paper with another camera repair place, Halton Camera, with the gentleman's name of Alex. Unfortunately, he said he doesn't have the phone number, but I can Google it. Now, Halton region is a completely separate region. It's even further than where I already was today. So logistically, I don't know how I'm going to get this to happen. I am going to reach out to this gentleman, Alex, at Halton Camera, just to see if they even will or can take a look at the lens to fix it. So yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. Yeah, an eighth of a tank of gas to get there and back, and I'm in the same exact position I was before I left the house, so that's unfortunate. But the quest continues until the quest is completed, if it even can be completed. I will be continuously using the DFA 150-450, and if I need 600 millimeters, then I'll just throw on the 1.4 time teleconverter, because that combo works great and is a heck of a lot sharper than just using this behemoth. So there you go. Very unfortunate, because man, this lens, art piece, very, very heavy art piece. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you have not already, please do subscribe. Always helps out. If you want to support the channel, that information's at the bottom of the description. And don't forget, you can be a member of the channel too. Oh, and get some merch. You know, I've got so much stuff out there. I know I keep saying it. I'm not actually wearing any of it. That will be changing. That will be changing very soon. So you'll be able to see what it looks like on an actual person. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'm going to go. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.